Hello guys, this is CJ and I'm just gonna show you how I solve the Rubik's Cube here. Although if you cannot see clearly, you might not see the Rubik's Cube of how I solve it, but it's okay. I'm just gonna post another video of how I solve it on first person view. So I'm just gonna observe for a little. So 3, 2, 1, start. I just heard a pretty funny joke, so don't find about me. This one's good. This might take a while. Just wait for a second. And yeah, there is none. And just don't imitate my style because it's slow, unlike the other ones who can solve it for 6 seconds. But I solve it this way. So please subscribe if you want, and please comment if you like, and please give me thumbs up if you really appreciate the video. So yeah, bye.